Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this exponential equation a to the power a is equal to 2 to the power a plus 4, or a to the power a is equal to, according to this exponential formula, a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. We can write it as 2 to the power a times 2 to the power 4, or divided both side by 2 to the power a, we can write a to the power a over 2 to the power a is equal to 2 to the power a times 2 to the power 4 over 2 to the power a. Or now, according to this exponential formula, m to the power a over n to the power a is equal to m over n whole to the power a. We can write left side as a over 2 whole to the power a is equal to this 2 to the power a and 2 to the power a will cancel out, so it will remain 2 to the power 4. Or raising both sides power by 1 over 2, we can write a over 2 whole to the power a over 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4 over 2. Or a over 2 whole to the power a over 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 is 2. Or according to this formula, when a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then a is equal to b. Now comparing a over 2 as a and this 2 as b, we can write a to the power a is equal to b to the power b. So this a over 2 is equal to this 2. So we can write a over 2 is equal to 2. Now multiplication both side by 2, we can write the value of a is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. So this is the value of a. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.